old time's sake.
YouTube, Facebook, hey guys, we're at it again. We're on a duct cleaning job today and a clean and buff of hardwood on our customer that we did last week. We redid their hardwood floors with the sandstone and refinish. Now we're doing the ducts because we do recommend doing the ducts after we do the any kind of sanding or remodeling. So we're here doing that now. They just bought the home, and again, this client found us online and booked on the spot. And we're also doing, like I said, the stairs. And then they have 2 bedrooms and a hallway area, foyer, that we're gonna clean and just buff because that's all that needed upon assessment. And then we got, I would say 3 levels upstairs, main, and then downstairs, the main trunk lines. And we're gonna take care of the vents, returns, and main trunk. So that's what we're doing, guys. Stay tuned. See you soon.